Homeowners who made energy-efficient improvements to their homes in 2022 may be eligible for some helpful tax credits. But what upgrades qualify and how much can you expect to get back? Alicia Jegede is here with me live in Studio 57 to explain. She's a CPA and founder of New Gen Financial Planning and Accounting Firm. Thanks so much for being with us.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
So a lot to get through here. I want to start with asking what sort of qualifies as an energy efficient upgrade in your home that can get you a tax credit?
So an energy efficient upgrade in your home could be something such as new exterior doors, new windows, a new skylight, anything energy efficient equipment such as a boiler, a new central air conditioning, things like that.
Okay, so there's sort of two categories here. Some of them are things you might need to replace in your home. Other things could be more aesthetic. Can you walk us through some of the things? We've got this list here. So roofs, installations, skylights.
Yes, right. Roofs, installations, skylights, exterior windows and doors. And the lifetime credit is $500 for 2022.
Wow.
Some of them are like 10%. For instance, for doors, you get 10% of qualified costs up to $500. For windows, you get 10% of costs up to $200. So there are different dollar amounts and limitations to the credit,
Okay.
but it's a lifetime limit of $500.
So how do the credits work? What are the requirements? How do you know if you're eligible?
So you know if you're eligible because you have to know if it's energy efficient. So a lot of the time you'll see the little Energy Star thing on the equipment that you buy, and it'll tell you if it's energy efficient. In addition, you know that exterior doors are eligible, windows that provide energy efficiency, installation, stuff like that are qualified for the credit.
And you mentioned there's different amounts for different products. Are there any limits on how much you can get back?
Yes, so there are limits. So it's $500 lifetime credit, and that's pretty much the limit for the energy efficient improvements. But now, as of 2023, they've recently expanded the credit to be up to $3,200 for the next 10 years. So it's really a more valuable credit going forward.
And I think about business owners too, people who own property that they run businesses through that they might need to upgrade those facilities. Are those folks going to be eligible as well?
No, so it's only for your residential home and your main home where you live.
An important distinction.
Yeah.
And what about renters?
Renters, no, it's only for if you own the home and if it's your main home.
Okay, and a couple of good ideas there because solar panels, that's something that's really interesting to a lot of folks right now, but they can be expensive. So this might help to sort of offset the cost.
Right, so that's a second credit. That's the clean energy credit. And that provides a credit for clean energy. And that credit is basically a higher dollar amount, 30% of your total qualified expenditures with no dollar limit. So if you buy solar panels, for instance, if you have solar hot water heating, wind energy, stuff like that, you get 30% of your expenditures, and that can include installation. And also for new buildings, you can also, it qualifies for new homes that are being built. So that credit is a really valuable credit.
And there are some other things here on the list that I was surprised to see. Landscaping, for example, that might be something you're going to do anyway. Now you can get some money back.
Right, exactly.
And there's as well smart thermostat. I know that's something that a lot of folks are getting these days.
Exactly. So smart thermostats will be a part of kind of like the boilers, the air conditioning, split systems. There are so many things on the list that you can qualify that improve energy efficiency in your home.
Okay, some great information there. Everyone loves to save a dollar. So thanks so much. We appreciate your time today.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
This Money Watch segment has been brought to you by Edward Jones.